Guys, welcome back to my channel. This look, I'm going to call this baddie on a budget. Have you ever watched a YouTube tutorial and seen they're using £50 foundations, £30 setting powders, what else people use? Their brush set is just costing figures that you can't even hold in your head. I'm here to show you today that you do not need to break your pocket or break the bank just to look equally as good or even better than your favorite baddie. I suggest you continue watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. So I've already primed my eyelids. I used the Revolution Conceal and Define concealers. I used C13 to underline my eyebrows, then C12 because it's a bit lighter on the actual eyelid. So the palette we'll be using is my BH Cosmetics 120 colour eyeshadow palette. It's the 2nd edition. So we've got two. To begin, the colour I'll be using is this purple over here. And then we're going to go in with this pink here. Onto a different brush, and we're using the other palette now. We're going to use this. It looks like a red from the bottom, this one here. Back to the first palette, we're now going into the hot pink that is up here. But just by looking, I can tell that I've extended the eyeshadow a bit too close to the eyebrow. I'm going to go back in with my C13 and an angle brush just to clean up the area. I'm using my BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant palette to highlight underneath my eyebrow. That will add some shape. I'm going to use this one here. It's a bit of a champagne colour. That is both eyes done. For foundation, we're going to use L'Oreal True Match in Mahogany. I forgot the number. I'll list it. Spraying my brush with my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Just because I don't have any fixed brush at the moment, to be honest. I wouldn't normally do this. Concealer, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I'll be using C13 and C12. C16. Who knows? This is probably going to be the most expensive brush I use. It's a Real Technique pointed foundation brush. I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup powder to set my highlighted areas. I'm going to use my face form by Snake to set the contoured areas and my Real Techniques contour brush. We're just using a buffing brush by Real Techniques to get rid of all that excess product. I want to add eyeshadow to the lower lash line area. Back in with third red from the bottom. We're just going to buff out the eyeshadow. I want a nude lip, but not a traditional or simple nude lip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my C13 and I've really been feeling these lips on Asian women. It's like a nude lip and then they've got like a burst of colour in the middle. Love it. So I'm going to use that reddish pink colour, the third from the bottom again. So I'm using my Hydra gloss, lip gloss in colour 1, Clear, by KIKO. So back with this second highlighter here, the champagne looking one. I'm just spraying my Dewy setting spray for NYX. The foundation I used was the Loreal True Match in Mahogany. I think this is 9.5W. It cost me £9.99. The concealers I used were by Makeup Revolution and they cost £4 per tube. So I used 3 concealers today, C12, C13 and C16. The setting powder I used for my highlighter was the Sacha Buttercup powder and this cost £20. The contour kit that I use is the Sleek Face Form and this cost me £9.99. The eyeshadow palette that I used today was the BH Cosmetics 120 palette, the second edition, and this cost me £20. And the unit I'm wearing today is from LaBello Beauty and it is their Woe unit. This costs £30. The pink brush set that I used today, there are 10 brushes normally, but I don't know what I did with them. This cost £3.64 from eBay. I will include the link below. And the black set that I used today, there were around 10 or so brushes from this set, but I used these 4. And this cost me definitely less than £7. The setting spray I used was the NYX Dewy setting spray and this cost me £7. The highlighter I used was the BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant palette. So this palette cost me £12, but if you do a bit of math you'll find out that the palette, or the individual shades in the palette rather, cost you £3. And for the odd Real Technique brush that I used here and there, I think those all came from the same set and that set cost me £15. So other than the Real Techniques brushes, the look was fairly inexpensive to recreate.
Thank you for watching my video. Bye!